Hello, and welcome to Dynabuddy. This video will show you how to play along with the videos called All Together Now. All Together Now videos are small ensemble videos where you'll learn different parts within duets, trios, and quartets. Make sure that you have your instrument set up and ready to play and the volume turned up on your device before you start the video. First, you'll get to learn one part by itself, like the top line in this video, by playing along with the metronome. Some videos will have separate stavs for the different parts, like this video, and some will use divisi notation, so you'll get to practice reading both. After you play the top line by itself, you'll play that line again while seeing and listening to the whole ensemble. Notice how the line you are playing fits in with the rest of the instruments. Next, you'll learn another part by itself, like the bottom line in this video, by playing along with the metronome. Then you'll play this line again while listening to the whole ensemble. Now you've learned two parts so that you can listen closely to learn how they fit together. Finally, for the last time through this piece, you'll hear the whole ensemble and you can play along with whichever part is your favorite. Then, keep watching until the end so you can give yourself a score. Think about how your notes sounded compared to what you heard in the video. If you scored a 1, go back to the beginning and try again. Learning music takes a lot of practice. Happy practicing!